Hi, thank you for tuning in. My name is David Walla-Widnick, the resident cocktail stylist of Taste Magazine. Today I'm here in a signature BC liquor store, and I'm excited to show you this cocktail that's called the Chartreuse Sour. If you don't know what Chartreuse is, it's one of the oldest recipes for liqueurs that's out there in the market. It's been around since 1605, made by the Carthusian monks in France. Now, with no further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start with a shaker tin. We'll take an egg, and we're going to crack it over the edge. We just want the white, so give it a nice sharp break there. You can break the shell right in half, so you can see most of the egg white came out. We transfer it back and forth. Got the egg white there. We can save that yolk for later if you desire to put into a recipe. Now, next up, 1 ounce of the chartreuse. Chartreuse is made from 130 botanicals. This one is 55%. So I'm just gonna put 1 ounce into that cocktail. It's got lots and lots of complexity and flavor. To that, we will add 2 ounces of freshly squeezed orange juice. Do yourself a favor, squeeze it fresh, it makes all the difference. 2 ounces translates to about 60 mils. Lime juice, we want to add some acidity. It is a sour after all. 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22 mils. To balance out the tartness, a little bit of sweetness. 15 mils, which is 1/2 an ounce of simple syrup. 1-to-1 ratio. Take equal parts of sugar and water, simmer it to dissolve. Now, I love this part because it's beautiful and aromatic. A little bit of orange flower water. Couple of drops will do, but if you have an atomizer, it's nice to actually put a little mist in there. 1, maybe 2 little mists. That will be an unbelievable extra fragrance, if you will. Now, what we're gonna do is a dry shake. Dry meaning no ice, no water involved. We want to emulsify all these ingredients together. So shake it up. As you can hear, it's a much different sound than what you're about to hear when we do it with ice. That just pops right off. Add some ice, but not too much. This is where the chilling and dilution come into play. Let's give that a shake. You can see it getting nice and cold on the outside, so you know that you've shaken it enough. It's chilled, it's diluted. Getting that top off, you can place that to the side. Now momentarily, I'm just gonna place this to the side so I can bring up a glass. We're also going to garnish with a beautiful little lime wheel to hold back some of those ice shards that were created when the shaking occurred. I'm going to use this double strainer. Fine strain it through any sort of mesh. This also serves another purpose, to remove some of the bigger air bubbles and create a nice smooth surface over top. I can take a nice little lime wheel and lay it right over the surface, just like that. This is our Chartreuse Sour. If you want this recipe and many more, pick up a winter copy of Taste Magazine in 2022, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.